Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And today I am going to solve some printing pattern question which is most asked in the interview rounds. So the question is that how would you write a JavaScript function to print a triangle pattern of a star using nested loop? This is very basic question which is asked in the coding rounds. So we have to just define one function that named as triangle, and in this triangle I just pass one height as an parameter, and we take two loops. First loop is for let I equal to 0 and I is less than height and I plus plus, and then we have to take let to equal to space. Now take for let j equal to 0, j equal to height I j plus plus. Then do one thing, let row plus equal to star. Okay, so that's how the code is run. And just we take the triangle and pass one argument, that is I just pass 5, and here I can do one thing more, that I have to remove the let from here, and I have to take I have to just print the row by just do console.log row. That is a simple question, and when we run it, so you can see the star is printed. So basically I will give you how the code is work. Basically the working of the code, we create one function that is named as triangle. You can take any name, pass one parameter. We can pass one parameter, that is height. You can take any parameter, and after this we use two loops, that is run till height and the second one is run till I. Okay, so that is basically the loop is run. Suppose let I equal to 0, so loop is run first time, so it will give the space. You can see the space there. Okay, and in the space, this space is add with row. So what will happen, here's the row. Okay, and row is going to add bit star. Okay, and it is equal to the row. Okay, so that's how the code is work basically. So you understand that it will add bit. Now the second loop is run, if it is run 0, it will run only with 0, so it will give space. After that it will increment to 1. Okay, and the loop is run till 1, so it will only print 1 star. Okay, and in every time, in every on outer loop, this loop will give you one, this will give you one output in every run of the outer loop. So this is basically the code. Like if I change it into 1, I equal to 1, if I change the value of I equal to 1, and I have to do the equal to sign here, same I do with this, and if I run this program, you can see the code. So now space is not printed because it is run with I equal to 1. So that's all for today. If you want a more lecture in my YouTube channel, if you want more lead code JavaScript series, subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon and never miss the update. See you in the next lecture.